a great choice today with the 2019 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, climate control, rear defrost. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.